In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to search for examples in the community and just use part of other people's program for your program to drive your Sphero-Bolt. Because there are so many other people have been using Sphero-Bolt in their classroom, there are a lot of example code online and that you can use for your applications. So the way to find all the example code online is from here. Go to Programs and go to All Programs. And you can see all these examples being listed over here. But you don't know which one to pick up because there are so many examples. And here's one of the ways you probably want to use to find out the most popular examples. So go to Sort By and use likes so you can see which one has received the most likes. So this one is the one you want to see, and get into the program and see what this program is doing. It's a pretty simple program, and you can see that it's going to make a little noise at the very beginning and get into the forever loop and change the LED color, and then seems like it is doing some kind of movement because the color is a light blue color, which is exactly the same color as the movements tag. So let's get in here so you can see it is actually this function, and left, right, blah blah blah. And what is this, right? So this color is a purple color, so it should be variables. And now let's take a look. What is this function over here? So I'm gonna right click and take a look. What is this variable doing for the program? And you do a right click and you get into this edit variable, and you can see that this is actually a number, right? So model1 is the name of this number, which is actually 3000. So which means it is running or spinning the left motor at the speed of 3000, and at the same time spin the right motor at a speed of minus 3000. Because the two motors are spinning at the same speed but different direction, so the Sphero-Bolt will spin instead of moving forward or backward, but it's going to spin at its original location. So let's go back to our program and try to use this function and add it to our function. So go to My Programs, and I think we were here, and go to View Programs. So this is our program, and let's go to Controls and do a forever loop. What I'm gonna do here is to let the Sphero-Bolt spin once it stops. Let's try if this works. All right, loop forever, so keep spinning at that location, but before it stops it should say something, make a little noise. So I will do this and do this, and also since I just saw this function in the example code, so I'm gonna use this one to let it spin, and let's just spin it at the full speed. So this is forward, and the other motor I want to use full speed but backward. So which means it's going to spin for 1 second. Let's do it. All right. So when it is spinning, it's going to show the animation as well.